guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the brand new Lookfantastic box. I'm feeling this like dark vibe. I love it. We had in the past like a lot of very light neon-ish boxes, so I'm really digging this dark thing here. Stars can't shine without darkness. Holy cow! How amazing. Okay, now let's see. I've got the booklet this time, and inside we have the Elle magazine, which is quite thick this time, and then we have the beautiful purple paper. Okay, holy cow, this box is like full, honey. Okay, so this is the box from the inside. So let's just start with this huge, humongous thing right here, which is the, I think it's from K-Beauty. Yes, made in Korea, illuminating holographic sheet mask. Christine, hello. With hyaluronic acid and citrus oils. Okay, really cool. This is what that little packaging here looks like. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm sure you're dizzy by now. Anyway, like I said, made in Korea. This has gotta be a full size. Like, I couldn't imagine this not being a full size. So yeah, it's right over here. It's the OK Chalk holographic fiber face mask. Fiber, oh, okay. And it is, the Lookfantastic box is always in pounds, British pounds, because it's British, okay? So it's worth 10 pounds. Okay, the next thing in the box is something different. This is a brush. It's a wet brush mini detangler. Little brush, big results. The detangler for a life on the go. Okay. I'm just gonna assume that since it says wet brush, that you could use this on wet hair, even though I will say I'm not a big fan of brushing my hair wet because I am damaging my hair way faster when it's wet than when it's dry, so I rather not do that. But let me just check the booklet. It's not over here. Yes, it's over here. Wet brush, mini detangler brush, color may vary, and I got the exact color from the booklet, so that's pretty cool. I love this color, by the way. It is worth $7.99, and it's how to use. Use to smooth and detangle wet or dry hair. Well, I'm going to use it on dry hair. Like I said, I don't like brushing wet hair. Okay, moving on to something else, which is the EOS lip balm, and this is a shimmer in the color coral. Hold on. Because I do know that these EOS balms, it's a lip balm, I understand, but sometimes lip balms have like colors on your lips, and basically it's a freaking lipstick, even though it's a lip balm. So I'm not really the biggest fan of lip balms, and it just ruined this packaging. But I love me a good lipstick, and if I can use this as lipstick and like, nourish the mouth area, then why the hell not? Okay, so let's open this sucker up. Oh my god, that is good. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, let's test this out on my hand. And it doesn't really leave that much. It's more of a stainy thing. Oh, it smells so freaking good though. However, yeah, I'm not really sure if the camera's gonna pick that up or not. There's like a little smoochy smooch over here. It's not too big though. I really have to test this out on like my lips to see what it does. If it does like leave some good like color on the lips, I'm definitely going to use it. If not, I just realized that it's actually really good to have one in your bag just in case, because I do get dry lips and sometimes I forget to take my lipstick or lip gloss from home, and then I have chopped lips by the end of the night, and nobody wants that, okay? So I might just put this one, since I already opened and swatched it clearly, I might just put this one in my bag to go. Let's see, where is it? It's over here. It's the EOS Lip Balm. Shimmer Coral, Pearl, or Iridescent, or Crystal Vanilla Orchid. Wow. Product may vary. And this one was the purple one, so I'm going to assume it's the Iridescent Crystal or something. I don't know. Anyway, I got the Shimmer Coral, and it costs $6.50. Okay, we've got 3 more items in here. Let's start off with this fella right here. So it's like the biggest one. The rest are like smaller ones. This is a angled blending brush. Oh, this is great because I actually don't have an angled blending brush and I really need one. Luxuriously soft bristles, cruelty-free and vegan professional quality. Look better, feel better, but from war paint for life? What? No. Look good, feel better. That's the one I was looking for. Celebrating 25 years of confidence. For 25 years, look good, feel better has been blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'll read that later on. I'm just going to demolish the packaging straight away because I'm going to blind you. And like I said, love me a good brush. And I definitely needed this particular brush because I did not have. Holy cow, that is soft. Like, wow, it's actually really not smart what I'm doing, like putting it straight on my eye. But then again, it's from the factory. It should have been cleansed. So there we go. See, look at how freaking amazing this is. I love this. It feels so soft. I really could have used that today, actually. So let's check out the booklet. It's right over here. Look good, feel better. Angled blending brush, and the worth is $6.99, so basically 7 pounds. Okay guys, we got 2 more similar items in the box, and then the box, as you can see, where should I place it? I don't have room. There we go, it's empty. Sorry about that. One thing is from Polar. This is the, why did I say it Polar? I don't know what the hell was up with that. This is a hand cream, the genuine Lapland cream with 3 Arctic berries. We already received such an item last year. Not necessarily, I'm not going to say it's particularly this box, but I do remember receiving this item already. So I'm probably going to give this for Christmas to my mom, unless I already gave that to my mom. I have to check. I'm not really sure. Let's see. It's over here. It's from Polar, like I said. The genuine Lapland hand cream, and the worth is, holy cow, the worth is €9. I want to say euros, nope, 9 pounds. $9.90, so basically 10 pounds. Holy cow. Okay, last item is something really, holy cow, this is from the Balm. Oh my god, my day just got better. This is the foil eyeshadow from the Balm. The Balm girl catches your eye. What color did I get? I have no idea. I'm gonna have to open it somehow. Oh, how cute. Red-handed. Okay, I got the color red-handed. The Balm Girl Catches Your Eye Red-Handed, Volume 1. This is the color that I received. I'm so freaking happy, and honestly, I don't necessarily like these single eyeshadows because I'm trying to get rid of my single eyeshadows, but hello, the Balm, like, hello. I'm gonna keep this fella, okay? So let's see in the booklet. Oh, it's right here. The Balm, multi-purpose powder in alternative rock. Take it for granted. What? Foil again eyeshadow in red-handed. That's the one that I got. Or the Mary Luminizer. Wow, why can't I pronounce that? Product may vary. Crap! I would have loved the Mary Really? The Mary Luminizer, I would have loved that one because that's a highlighter. Shoot. Dang it, why did I get this one, not the Mary Lou? Damn it. However, I'm still very grateful for this one. It is 8 pounds, and wow, we actually received like good brands, let me put it that way, from these boxes. Like in the Lookfantastic box, you know, before we have received Glam Glow, now the Balm. I mean, we received great value items. I so wish Dutch boxes would take a look and learn. This is how you make a box. This box was awesome. I'm gonna use every single item in here. I loved this box. Holy cow, it's blowing my mind. You have to love October. October is one of my favorite months in the freaking world because, like, hello, Halloween, yay. I'm known in this apartment as like the Halloween lady, so, you know. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about these items and this one's box? I'd like to thank y'all once more for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!